Around 50 drivers, 3 categories and 1 championship trophy. As we get set to crown the national karting champions across 3 categories, let's take you back to the euphoria that can only come from the open-wheeled bumper-to-bumper racing that these young drivers have showcased over the entire season of the 11th JK Tyre Rotax Max National Karting Championship.
Definition in the English dictionary of insane and crazy was our final race.
Physically and mentally it is quite challenging.
I don't think any other sport offers you that much adrenaline rush at a particular weekend, so it's amazing.
We're racing drivers. If you see a small gap, you go in. Because if you no longer go for a gap that exists, you're no longer a racing driver.
Behind me is the V1 karting circuit in Visakhapatnam, and the heats for the final round of the 11th JK Tyre Rotax Max National Karting Championship are underway in full swing. The championships are relatively wide open and the drivers are trying their best to outdo one another. But by the end of this weekend, only one of them shall have the bragging rights to be called National Karting Champion. Let's see how the weekend pans out. Roll clip. The championship is in its 11th consecutive year and is based on the regulations of the Rotax Max Challenge. Rotax is the largest kart engine manufacturer in the world, and as we head into the grand finale, let's take a look into the driver standings across categories and break down the points tally. First up is the Micro Max category. Meko Racing's Yash Aradhya leads this category with 154 points in the bag. A tough nut to overtake, Aradhya's determination to take the flag ahead of the field is something that drives his kart as much as him. Behind him is his Meko Racing teammate Paul Francis. Slight of build but not short in determination in any manner. Francis's skill behind the kart steering is a treat to watch. Francis has 140 points in his bag, and that means that he's still a threat that can't be written off.
It's a good chance for me this year. Hopefully I make use of it and I think I can win it. It would be nice to win the race as a nice season ender, but second place still is very good. I'd like to go for the win. This is my last year in Micro Max. Next year I will be joining the Junior Max category. So my first target is to win the race and come on the second slot in the championship. But it's not easy because they are good drivers like Yash and Paul, and the track is very bumpy and it's difficult to maintain the lead also.
The Junior Max category is next in line, with the competition being the most closely contested. BPC Racing's Ricky Donison leads with 144 points. It's only Donison's second year in karting, and the talented driver has made heads turn with his brilliant racing all through the season. Close behind him is Dark Dawn Racing's World Karting Championship driver, Kush Maini. Maini's staggering experience behind the go-kart wheel is something that makes him formidable. Both drivers, though, are evenly matched. and this one will go down to the checkered flag for sure.
I'm going to need to concentrate a lot and just put my focus onto the race. Obviously, my aim is to win the pre-final and the final. And if I do that, I think I'll be champion. And I'm planning to do that. We're showing really good pace here and really fast. And just last race, I was leading the championship by 14 points. But in racing, anything happens, and I just threw it away in one race. And so now I'm a little bit lagging behind in the championship.
Last year was my first year in karting, and I really hope that, I wasn't expecting to win the championship my second year. So then I went in wanting to get into the top 3. I didn't know I'd come so far. And there were problems in the first round, but that happens in racing, and I'm really happy to be leading the championship right now.
The Senior Max category is where the heat is at its best. All through the seasons, the top drivers have been separated by just 1/10 of a second. Former national champion Amir Bafna of Reo Racing leads the championship with 147 points. Defending national karting champ Vishnu Prasad of Meko Racing is running second with 133 points in the bag. And breathing down his neck, tied at 130 points, is the combined aggression of Mohite's Racing Academy drivers Chitesh Mandodi and Dhruv Mohite. There's going to be some hard racing, and that's always a lot of fun.
I'm under pressure, obviously, but I have to keep my cool. Luckily, I have a slightly healthy margin. I'm leading by 14 points, which is a healthy margin in the last round. Hopefully, I can keep it together and finish on top.
The points difference is a little big, but it's racing. I think you should never give up until the end. Definitely going to keep pushing this weekend for the win, and hopefully, things will work out and I can win the championship at the end of the day.
The pre-final races not only count for points in the championship, they also lock the starting grid positions for the final race. And so when the pit lanes opened for the pre-final races, drivers across categories took to the tarmac as if they had long-standing grudges against their tyres. In the Micromax category, Yash Aradhya pulled off a brilliant win to consolidate his lead in the class championship. Arun Nair drove a great race to clinch second, and BPC Racing's find of the 2014 season, Chirag Ghorpade, was third. Things heated up as expected in the Junior Max pre-final, immediately after the green flag was waved at the rolling start, and the drivers hit the first corner. As Donison held his line on his way out of C1, Maini came towards the outer, causing Donison to climb over his kart and almost spin out. Ravindra lunged out of the gap that Maini had left and took the lead. Donison recovered and was hot on his tail with Gowda in tow. And while that was happening, Maini spun and had to settle for fourth. Donison outpaced Ravindra and overtook him to take the race win. Gowda came in third.
Clap your hands in the air and raise it up for Ricky Donison from Team BPC Racing. Aro Ravindra comes in at number 2 from Team Reo. Akash Koda comes in at 3.
Chitesh Mandodi dominated most of the Senior Max pre-final race before Dhruv Mohite overtook him towards the end to clinch the checkered flag. Playing it safe and keeping a cool head behind them, Bafna came in a comfortable third. Coming up on JK Tyre Racing Lines, all the action from the grand finale of the 11th JK Tyre Rotax Max National Karting Championship.